How are you all? Hopefully, you are enjoying your best. Today, we are going to learn about subject and predicate. I will explain the difference between a subject and a predicate. Here, to start with it, subject who or whom versus the action done, predicate. So, start it. A complete sentence has two parts. First part is called a subject and the second part is called a predicate. Or you can say that subject comprises a noun and the predicate comprises an action. Let's explain it in detail. What is a subject? A subject is the person or thing that is doing an action, or the person or thing that is the focus of the sentence. So, a person who is doing an action is a subject. Got it? Now, what is a predicate? The predicate of the sentence is the part that contains the action. As you know, when there is a person, when there is a thing that is doing an action, the action is performed by the person and that action contains a predicate. For subject and predicate, you must know the agreement of the both. Subject must agree with the verb. So here comes subject verb agreement. What is subject verb agreement? When the subject is a singular noun, the verb takes an s or es in the present tense. Example is the baby sleeps, the baby cries. The subject is in complete agreement with the verb. And when the subject is a plural noun, the verb does not take an s or es in the present tense. Example is the babies sleep, the babies cry. Here I have added some more examples of subject and predicate. The big green frog jumped across the log. My sweet grandmother wore a blue dress. The old shag blew over in the wind. My dog Barney barked at the cat. Hopefully, you have understood the topic. If you have any question related to the topic, do share it in your comment section. I'll try my level best to explain it, and if you have any other questions relating any other topic, I'll explain it in my next video. That's for all now. Thanks for watching.